The U.S. Association of Poison Control Centers is reporting a nearly threefold increase in calls reporting issues after taking ivermectin. The 55 poison control centers say more people called in August of this year compared to all of last year. KQ2's Madeline McLean found out why experts say just don't do it.
Poison Control Center is seeing an uptick in calls from people getting sick after taking animal ivermectin.
Over 160% from the previous year.
Ivermectin is an anti-parasitic drug intended for horses, cattle, and sheep. Most doctors and health officials say they don't recommend people taking animal drugs to treat COVID-19.
We do not endorse, nor do we suggest anyone take over-the-counter treatments that are not designated toward human consumption.
There is nothing to support that ivermectin has any effect, any beneficial effect, anywhere similar to what we know the vaccines do.
Using a drug which has no clearly shown efficacy in COVID-19 patients, and on top could be poisonous, toxic to you, doesn't make any sense.
Don't do it. There's no evidence whatsoever that that works, and it could potentially have toxicity with people who have gone to poison control centers because they've taken the drug at a ridiculous dose and wind up getting sick.
But some internet celebrities who have no medical degree, like Joe Rogan, have been promoting it as a possible coronavirus treatment. Missouri Poison Control Director Julie Weber says the more celebs promote it, the more likely it is she'll see more calls.
So there were a number of calls already increasing, and then when a celebrity or an influencer begins to talk about it more, yes, a lot of the public will grab onto that as a hope for treatment and then try to self-medicate.
Weber says she's not ruling out ivermectin as a treatment in the future.
But the studies just haven't been done yet or really prove it.
There's no clinical evidence that indicates that this works.
And people with no medical backgrounds are prescribing themselves the wrong dose, which can lead to serious health effects, including death.
In these more severe cases, we have seen that people are extremely drowsy, they're agitated, confused, and it could lead to hallucinations or even more symptoms of a seizure.
Reporting, Madeline McLean, KQ2 News.
Maddie, thank you. If you have questions, call the Missouri Poison Control Hotline at 1-800-222-1222. That center has registered pharmacists and nurses operating under a board-certified toxicologist who's available 24/7 to speak with you. We also spoke with Boehringer Ingelheim about the use of veterinarian products containing ivermectin in humans. The company says its products containing ivermectin are not approved or suitable for use in humans and should not be used without regulatory review or approvals. Quote, Boehringer Ingelheim's animal health products containing ivermectin should not be used for the prevention or the treatment of COVID-19 in humans.